Hello dear students, welcome to Biochemistry by Revati. I am Revati and in today's class we will learn an interesting and a very important topic, water as a biological solvent. We often hear that water is a universal solvent, but have you ever wondered why? Let us now understand what makes water so special in supporting life. Water. It is the most abundant compound in all living organisms. In fact, 60 to 70% of our human body is composed of water. It is a medium where all the biochemical reactions takes place, whether it is digestion, transport of nutrients, removal of waste, or even temperature regulation. Water plays a key role. Now let's see the structure of water molecule. A water molecule has two hydrogen atoms and a oxygen atom. The bond angle is around 104.5 degree, which is giving a bend shape. Here the oxygen is more electronegative than hydrogen, meaning oxygen attracts more unshared electrons than the hydrogen atom, which is leading to polar molecule. Here water molecule is a polar molecule. What is this again? Polar. It is nothing but the unshared electrons present between the oxygen and hydrogen atom creates partial, negative and positive charges on them. Now these polarity leads to hydrogen bonding between the water molecules. If you see, there will be a formation of hydrogen bond between the water molecules. Though it may be a weak attraction, but it plays an important role in the structure and function of biological molecules like water, DNA and proteins. Let us now understand how water behaves as a good solvent. Because of its polarity, water can easily dissolve in ionic and polar substances. For example, sodium chloride means table salt. When it is added to water, it dissociates into Na plus and Cl minus ions. Now these Na plus and Cl minus ions are surrounded by water molecules. Let's see. Here Na plus ions are attracted towards O minus ions. Here Cl minus ions are attracted towards H plus ions of water molecule. This is called forming hydration shells. Secondly, water has high dielectric constant. Water has high dielectric constant, which means it can weaken the attraction between charged particles and help them dissolve easily, as in the case of NaCl. But water cannot dissolve non-polar substances like oils or lipids. These substances are called hydrophobic. These substances are called hydrophobic, which means water fearing. If you see an example of oil in water, it forms a missile-like structure. Let's look at it. It is an oil particle and has two ends. One is hydrophilic, another one is tail part is hydrophobic. Hydrophilic is water loving. Hydrophobic is water fearing. On the other hand, substances that can easily dissolve in water are called hydrophilic. Example, salt in water or NaCl in water. We have already discussed this example previously. Water is a biological solvent and is crucial for life. Let us see why. First, it allows nutrients like glucose and amino acids or gases like oxygen and carbon dioxide to dissolve and transported in the body. Second, it is a medium for all metabolic reactions to take place, whether it is inside or in our digestive system. Third, it helps enzymes function properly. Fourth, it plays an important role in the maintenance of or regulation of body temperature. That is due to high specific heat. Fifth, water also helps in protein fold and also in the formation of cell membrane. Water also helps in protein fold correctly and also in the formation of cell membrane through hydrophobic effect. For example, in the cell membrane, if you see, phospholipids arrange themselves forming a lipid bilayer. If you see here, the hydrophilic heads. You see here, these are the hydrophilic heads which are attracted towards water, and if you see hydrophobic tails, these are inward. Here the hydrophilic heads are facing water and hydrophobic tails are inside. This is the basic structure of all the cell membranes. This is the lipid bilayer of all cell membranes. This is the basic structure of all the cell membranes. Let us now quickly revise the key points. First, it is polar. Water is polar and forms hydrogen bonds. Second, it dissolves ionic and polar substances forming hydration shells. Third, it has high dielectric constant. High dielectric constant, and also acts as a medium for all biochemical reactions. Fourth, hydrophobic and hydrophilic interactions are essential for the structure of cell membrane and protein structure. Finally, water is essential for supporting life, acting as a biological solvent. I hope this video helped you understand why water is such an amazing and essential molecule in biology. If you found this video useful, please like, comment your doubts below and subscribe to Biochemistry by Revati for more simple and clear explanations. In the next video, we will cover the topic pH and buffers. Until then, keep learning and stay curious. See you in the next class.